Oh, we have to do it. Alright, today we got a package here. We're going to be unboxing the JBC. This is the JBC soldering station. This is the control unit 4 tool. It's a DME. Yeah, I purchased this from PAC. I've never even heard of them, but they were referred by JBC as a third-party vendor. And the reason, I guess they're on back order with the JBC, so, oops, I hit the camera there. Alright, so that's some nice packaging. I have to get this off. Get this out of here. It's pretty heavy. Let's do it sideways, I guess. Alright. So, yeah, I have the tool, the DDE. Now this one's a touchscreen, which I would like to have the physical button one. But what can you do? I didn't order it a long time ago, so. So that's the unit I got. So you can hook up 4 tools. So now I could have a total of 6 soldering irons. Or tools, 6 tools between the other station and this one. Which I kind of got sick of basically unplugging because I have like tweezers and a couple other irons, and I got sick of just unplugging, plugging back in between the micro tweezers and stuff. So we got our power cord there. Our power cord that goes underneath the station. And here goes the baby. Oh, that thing is heavy. I don't like how the screen flops around. There's nothing else in there, so set that to the side. See how that kind of just flops around? Unless you put it on your little notches here. So we got like a little speaker there. Got our flash drive there. So what would be really nice is if they had glass instead of plastic. What happens if you hit this with your iron? That would be a bad day. That's why I like the physical buttons. They had the hard screen, actual glass. So like in future models, it would be nice to have actual physical glass. You probably have a better touch response out of that. Look at the mass transformer there. So that's the back of it. And you got your stuff for your robot, communication. So this is 110 to 130 volt, 350 watt. Takes a T3 or a T3.5 amp fuse. So we'll plug it in. Kind of curious of the boot time on it. From what I see from some videos, it's not not the fastest, from what I understand. So I'm going to plug this in. It takes a second. So it's not going to be as fast as my old station as boot time, because my other station had already been booted by now. Come on. Oh, I just heard the speaker click on it. There we go. So you heard like a little popping noise come from the speaker. So we got the menu here. So there is a delay on it. We go to counters. Let's see how many times this has been used. 0, 0, 0. Look at that. No runtime. Brand new station. And what's the question mark for? I don't want that. Alright. So yeah, I'm going to have to go through the settings. Obviously set everything like I have my other station. Temperatures. But what's nice about this, I guess, with the touchscreen, you could have 3 different sets of temperatures. So I can, have one for like 300, 350, or 375 or something, That's a nice feature. See, like, you can set your profiles. Yeah, see, so there's a delay. Come on. I can't get out. There's the graph. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. So yeah, that's the 4-tool unboxing. The DMU 4-tool. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Have more tools, but yeah, I paid about close to $1,400 for it. Saved a little bit of a discount going through Pack Tools, so I'm giving them a shout out. So I hope you guys liked the unboxing of the JBC station. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button.